Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grabs 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to create new Instagram account. First of all, open up Instagram app. After that, tap on create a new account. Enter your name in the full name field. After that, tap on next. Enter your secure password. Use a combination of letter, numbers and symbols. And tap on next. Set your birthday date and tap on next. Choose a unique username. If the one you select is already taken, Instagram will promote you to choose another. After that, tap on next. Enter your mobile number in the mobile number fields. After that, tap on next. After that, tap on I agree. You will be promoted to complete your profile by adding a profile picture. You can skip these steps if you prefer to do it later. After that, tap on continue. Instagram may ask if you want to connect with people from your phone's contact list. You can choose to do this now or skip it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be logged into your new Instagram account and you will be able to start using the app. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.